Hi guys, how can you create a dreamy haze effect in Photoshop like this? First, create a duplicate copy of your image by dragging the layer to the plus icon. Select the duplicated layer, then go to Filter Blur Lens Blur. Apply these settings. Shape, hexagon radius, 80. Now change the blending mode of the blurred layer to screen. Lower the opacity to around 50%. Next, add a curves adjustment layer. Create a gentle S-curve by slightly lifting the highlights and lowering the shadows to add contrast. After that, add a gradient map adjustment layer. Open the gradient editor and go to Neutral and select the Sand 01 gradient. Press OK. Set the gradient map layer's blending mode to screen and lower its opacity to between 10 to 15. Now hold Shift and select all the effect layers and create a group. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, go to Filter Noise, Add Noise. Set the amount to around 10.12% and press OK. This is before and this is after. This is how you can create a soft, dreamy haze effect in Photoshop that gives portraits a cinematic and atmospheric summer look.